So hello, I'm super excited to be here. I'm always excited to talk about AI, present what we're doing. Just to emphasize the point, Tom said that automation is key to unlocking the future of manufacturing and industrial applications. Well, the key to unlocking automation is AI. And so I'm excited to share with you some of the work we're doing today to make that happen. And we're really focused on empowering our customers, our partners, to innovate faster. That's our key goal. We're doing this through our AI platform. And our AI platform is focused on reducing the engineering effort it takes to build and to accelerate the time to market and the production level of everything that is produced. AI today is still relatively nascent, and so we're trying to make sure that we can mature the entire industry for real industrial grade solutions. And we're doing this, again, through our platform, and we think the power is in the platform. And so if we start, it does start at the hardware level. We are including all the things you need to deploy a solution, from the camera, which is a nice RGB camera, mounting, wiring, a industrial enclosure with modern or video-based compute. So we've taken care of everything from the commissioning on. But of course, our platform is flexible. We have good encapsulation, really wonderful SDK, so you can swap out the camera and do something else. But it's not just about hardware. It's about the software. And so on top of this, we are building an entire SDK that is really meant to enable our partners. At the very bottom of this is our brand new version of ElevateX, which is really setting the standard of ease of use. On top of that, we're putting all the infrastructure, the connective tissue, the libraries, and the applications, so you can quickly assemble and rapidly deploy reliable AI applications. On that, we already have examples really covering a diverse range of applications, showing the flexibility of our platform. Starting with visual inspection, which is a big area of opportunity, where classically this was either done by humans or very end of line with AOI. We can now put this in line, and the AI solutions today, even compared to 3 years ago, are much more capable. They can actually outperform humans in many respects and see nuances that are beyond human visual acuity. Next is vision-guided robots. This has taken us from the world of open loop, which is where we've seen the vast majority of adoption in closed loop, giving the versatility and reliability and resilience to handle the perturbations and variation we see in real-world applications. The newest one, and we have heard this from some of these big companies coming out now, is leveraging imitation learning. This is twofold: one for the foundation model building for physical AI, but also for demonstrating tasks. It's much easier to show how to do something than try to program how to do something. And we see this as a great opportunity in physical AI. And then finally, dexterous control, specifically through force feedback. Many applications, for instance, in assembly, require compliant manipulation. You need to feel what you're doing. You have to adjust to minute perturbations and have that force feedback. We have examples of applications here that we're already seeing great impact in the field. And of course, the way we do this is through our ecosystem. In fact, the only way we believe to achieve scale of application is through our ecosystem. And we're very proud that we think one of our greatest strengths and key differentiators is our ecosystem. We have over 1,200 partners today, and together we are growing this. And one key thing to emphasize about our ecosystem is that we are very much retaining what we've always done, is keep an open ecosystem. This means support all the way from the very lowest level of API, from direct force control, all the way up to the very top of integration through applications and our user interface through UR apps. To sum it all up, we think we're the world's most scalable AI-enabled robotics platform, and we think there's 4 key points to emphasize on this. That we have a unified infrastructure. So you deploy on one of our robots the same application that you deploy on anything else on the platform. So it allows for great diversity and reducing the time to actually deploy across our stack. We have future ready. We have all of these libraries and infrastructure, from VLAs, or vision language models, action models, to NVIDIA True Motion, to NVIDIA foundation pose to RT Deader to stereo or camera calibration, You know, I can keep going on. The key is that we have all of this, and together with our compute platform, which we will continue to evolve, we're making sure that we have the capabilities and the headroom to deploy modern and future-based AI applications. And then we think that the key thing, again, to emphasize on the power of the platform is that we really want to make sure that we decrease the engineering effort, reduce the time spent on plumbing, and allow our partners to focus on the value add and solving customer problems. And we want to make sure that we do that with our India partners today. We really want to work together to push the boundaries of physical AI and deliver the next generation of AI applications. Thank you.